Channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and buy cryptocurrency on Telegram. All right, you can actually go ahead and buy cryptocurrency on Telegram, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you've opened Telegram on your phone or your laptop, depending on where you want to make use of. Right, so the next thing you want to do is to click on search. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in at wallet. Right, so once you type in as wallet, you're going to see this verified account that says wallet. You click on it, then it's going to open wallet. Well, as you can see, it says the bot allows you to purchase cryptocurrency by bank card, exchange, and transfer to other wallets. All right, so I'm going to click on start, and once you click on start, it's going to show you all these things. All right, so this bot you can actually go ahead and buy any cryptocurrency from wallet, all right, with just this app. All right, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead. You can actually make use of the P2P markets if you want. If I click on the P2P market, it's going to pop up. As you can see right here, it's loading, so we're waiting for it to show. So boom, as you can see actually, this is the P2P market. So if I want to go ahead and buy any cryptocurrency, I can click on buy, and it's going to show me the crypto market. All right, as you can see actually, this is the P2P market, and I can go ahead and buy any token I want to buy. I'm going to click on, okay, let's leave this as Tron. Then I can leave this as my currency. I can leave it as euro. I can change it to USD if I want. Is USD. Okay, so I can find USD right here, so I'll just leave it as euro. Then I'll leave that. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on, you can actually click on buy. If you click on buy from this particular user, you're going to click on how much euro do you want to spend in getting this particular Tron. So I'm going to click on, so once I type into that's 20 euro, that's going to give us about 9.6 Tron. Oh, sorry, 9.6 ton. So then the next thing my payment method is going to be half cash. So you can change your payment method. If there is other payment method, you can change it right. But currently the available payment method is half cash. So you can actually, if you cancel this and scroll up, you can see method. If you can see different payment method and select the one you wish to pay with. All right, so if you if you want to make use of, if you're in foreign countries, you can actually go ahead and pay with these methods like your Netella. You can pay with Netella, you can pay with Wise, you can pay with basically most of these payment options right here. All right, so I'll just click on, let's say Wise for example, and I click on done. It's going to give me users that can actually that I can actually pay with my Wise account. As you can see right here, this is it. So that's it guys on how to buy with the P2P section. And if you scroll back, if you go down back, you can actually go ahead and create your own ads. You can create your ads. You can also swap. If you click on the swap section, you can see my wallet is currently empty, so I won't be able to swap any cryptocurrency. Right, as you can see, you can also receive assets by clicking on the receive section. Then you're going to see the currencies you can actually receive, which is the BTC, USDT, and Toncoin. So let me say for example I want to receive USDT. I'll click on USDT, and it's going to give me an address. This is the address right here, so I can go ahead and copy this address. I'll just click on copy, and it's going to copy the address. So yes guys, and I can go ahead and start receiving cryptocurrency into my Telegram wallet. All right, so that's it guys on how to go ahead and buy cryptocurrency on Telegram. And if you click on my wallet, you can actually see currencies you have on your wallet. So you can see my wallet is saying 0 BTC, 0 Toncoin, USDT 0. And yes guys, you can see it's verified, and you can see supported. You can actually go ahead and chat their support team if you want. And I think this bot was purchased by Telegram, something like that. All right, so it's controlled by Telegram. Right, so you can see you can perform so many things on it. You can also do exchange. You click on exchange, you can please confirm your phone number and this and that. I'm going to cancel this. All right, so that's it guys on how to go ahead and buy crypto on Telegram. So if you actually enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.